Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.
Dancer, and I have a duet. It's a tap duet, and my duet partner is coming over to Great Wolf Lodge to come to the water park with me. So yeah, I have a sister, but she doesn't really like water parks. So yeah, there's my room. Kind of want to go on another water walk because these are really fun. I just need my body to get used to walking in the morning at resorts. And welcome, darkness. Okay, let's go back in. Okay guys, sorry if it's a little loud, but now me and my sister are going to the Bear Claw Cafe to get some breakfast. Okay, I'll show you where it is. Okay guys, so we're kicked out of our room now, but we are waiting for my friend to come here so that we can go to the water park. I'm really excited. Hey guys, so I'm at the arcade now with my duet partner. Yeah, we're doing this thing. The roller coaster. Oh god. Oh yeah, and we just went to the water park. It was really intense. Oh my god! Oh my god! No, 25! And? Yeah. Let's see how many points you get. Here. Okay, pick up the hammer. 1, 2, 3, go. One more 12, boys! pictures.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.